So today we are going to discuss how to sort an array of 0, 1s and 2s without using extra space. So we would be given an array which would be consisting of 0, 1s and 2s. The task is to write a function that sorts the given array. The function should put all the zeros first, then all the ones and all the twos in the last. For example, in this example we are given an array and after sorting that array we are getting all the zeros in the starting, followed by all the ones and then followed by all the twos. So the algorithm which we are going to follow in this is, we would take the three indices, that is low is equal to 1, mid is equal to 1 and high is equal to n, and there are four ranges, that is from 1 to low, the range containing 0, the element 0. The second range, low to mid, the range containing 1. Third one, mid to high, the range containing unknown elements, and high to n, the range containing the element 2. Now we would traverse the array from the start to the end and make sure that mid is less than high because the loop counter is I. If the element is 0, then we would swap the element with the element at index low and update the low as low plus 1. That is, we would swap with the low and then update low with low plus 1 and mid with mid plus 1. That is, we would increment low and mid by 1. After that, if the element is 1, then we would update mid is equal to mid plus 1. That is, we would increment mid by 1. If the encountered element is 2, then we would swap the element with the element at index high and update the high as high minus 1. That is, we would decrement high by 1 and update as I minus 1. That is, we would also decrement I, that is our iterator, as the swapped element is not processed. Now finally, after performing the iteration, we would get the desired sorted array. We can look at this by taking a simple example. Here we have taken an array which is containing 0, 1s and 2s. So in an array of mid, there can be three possibilities. That is, the mid value can be 0, 1 or 2. So we would look this problem case by case. Case 0, that is if a of mid is 0. If a of mid is 0, we would swap a of low and a of mid and then increment low by 1 and mid by 1. You can see after swapping and incrementing we get the following array. In this we have swapped array of mid with array of low, as well as we have incremented low and mid by 1. Now we would look at case 1. Case 1, that is if the encountered element is 1, then we would simply increment the mid by plus 1. That is, we would move the pointer by 1 position ahead. You can see if array of mid is 1, we would simply increment that by 1 position. Case 2, if the encountered element is 2, we would simply swap a of mid and a of high and decrement the value of high by 1. That is, we would decrement high by 1. So you can see after in the case 2, after swapping the a of mid and a of high and decrementing high by 1, we get the following array. Now we have to continue until mid is greater than high. We have to continue looping till the mid is greater than high. Now this is an example of our function which is describing the different cases inside the switch statement. So it is clearly saying case 0, if 0 is encountered, we have to swap a of low with a of mid. In case 1, if 1 is encountered, we have to simply increment mid by 1. Case 2, if 2 is encountered, we have to swap a of mid with a of high and decrement the value of high. This is the function. Thanks.